Whenever we open the YouTube, we'll be having an interface like a blocks of videos showing up on the screen. So it actually deals with the scalability, maintainability, and reliability of the product. Right. So moving on, we have monolithic architecture, which mainly deals with the characteristics like single and unified code base, which is nothing but which works on a single code rather than using all the CSS, HTML data codes. And coming to the examples, there is the e-commerce platform and the basic websites like the Chrome websites like Wikipedia and so on. And the challenges are scalability, limitation, deployment, bottlenecks. Best use is that we can use this monolithic architecture only for small project, not like the major one. And the microservices architecture, like it mostly depends upon the core concept, like only focus on what is the use of the product rather than adding another more advancement. And the examples can be Netflix and Amazon, like they are the online streaming platform which mostly we use nowadays. And benefits and challenges are increasing complexity and distributed debugging. Moving on, the layer architecture is nothing but the architecture which is designed step by step. In the first step, we have a structure where we actually think of the actual interface, like what should be maintained. Next, we think about the benefits, where the separation of concept, improve testability and maintainability. Next, we have examples like ERP system and banking applications, like we have Google Pay and PhonePe. And moving on, the challenges is that we have performance potential overheads. And choosing the right architecture is like analyzing requirements. Like whenever we design an architecture for a product, we mostly think about what all it can do and how all it can make up with the user requirements. And the assist team is that we actually use a perfect team to check the architecture so that after deployment there shouldn't be any kind of mistakes to be pointed out. And the factor concept is that includes timelines and budget. So whenever we make up a project, we actually make up with a budget. So even the architecture needs some budget to be installed. So we have some constraints to limit the budget. Next, the understanding trade-off is nothing but which balances the simplicity, flexibility, and reliability of the product. And conclusion is that architecture design plays a vital role in software engineering, where most probably like even the mobile which we use have a software with an architecture in it. And the systems, any kind of software system you are using actually has an architecture, because we cannot understand what is happening in the product without the architecture. And continuously it is in evaluating and adapting the architecture over time. Like moving on to new technologies, we have different kinds of architecture coming up. So by deploying new products into the market, we will be getting to know about different kinds of architecture. Thank you.